Greetings, men and women of the auto care industry. I'm Bill Hanvey, President and CEO of the Auto Care Association. And I am thrilled to let all of you know that today, February 25th, the Repair Act is being dropped in Congress for approval for our House of Representatives. This begins our journey to turn the Repair Act into law. We can't thank our four co-sponsors enough. Our lead sponsor, Representative Dunn from Florida, and our other co-sponsors, Gluesenkamp Perez from Washington, Warren Davidson from Ohio, and Brendan Boyle from Pennsylvania for their support, along with the 12 other co-sponsors that we already have enrolled. This is an exciting time for us to get the job done, and as usual, we know that we can count on your support and engagement to get this across the finish line. An exciting day for our industry. Let's see it through, everybody. Let's get it done, and we all appreciate your help. You'll be hearing more from me shortly about how you can get engaged. Thanks, everybody.